Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek. Welcome to another video where we're going to go through a case study for a limo and party bus client. So this is again January 1st to January 31st, 2020. You can see here they got a very modest budget, $37 a day, 414 clicks in those 30 days, 2,400 impressions, 16% click-through rate, which is awesome. Total cost that they spent was about $837. They got 81 leads for limo and party bus in that 30 days at $10 a lead. Conversion rate 19%, which is pretty on par with where we want to be. Ideally 20 to 25, but limo can be a little shaky sometimes. But I'm happy with the 19%. 81 leads, so that's pretty insane. Most of them are phone calls. Okay, and keep in mind this is just their pay-per-click campaign. Okay, this is not even including their Google Maps stuff or their SEO stuff or anything like that. So these guys, they're getting flooded with phone calls, and they're only running, I believe, 6 days a week. They're not even running 7 days a week. So the ad groups and the keywords we're going after are all the obvious things: limousine city name, party bus city name, party bus rentals, limousine rental, rent a limo, stuff like that. All the generic terms. Plus, we're adding in location-based stuff like rent a limousine in their city or their town or whatever. Going after zip code searches. That's a huge one for limo. Rent a limo. My zip code. What's my zip code? 18944 is mine. So if you like rent a limo, 18944. Lots of stuff like that. And those convert really, really well. Landing page is all geared towards mobile traffic. This is a mobile campaign, not a call only, okay? This is a regular search campaign where we've negative bid 100% for desktop and tablet traffic, and we increased the bidding, I think it was 15%, plus 15% for mobile traffic. So we're only running mobile traffic with a little bit of a bid increase. The landing page is very simple. It's main header, click to call type stuff right at the top. Contact form. Actually, there is no contact form in this one, now that I'm thinking about it. So it's just a straight up click to call. The budget is obviously, this guy could have done even way better if he increased his budget to 50 to 100 a day. So these are the results you can expect. And this is and I gotta say, this is in a major city. This is not in some town in the middle of nowhere. So these results they're competitive too. We're going up against a lot of other limo companies in the space we're in here, and they're still getting $10 leads in volume. So it's pretty awesome. It's definitely a campaign that we've dialed in. This guy's been with us for years, so this is just dialed in, and we don't really have to do much with it anymore at this point. So if you're interested in us running this type of campaign for your limo company, or if you have a client who has a limo company and they're looking for PPC, reach out today. We can talk about deploying this campaign to your client's location or your location, and all we got to do is just swap out some info and turn it on, and you guys can expect results like this as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and besides that, I'll see you in the next video.